We're on the east side of the main house, and you can see this is one of the windows that I have not touched yet. We have the storm window on, and you can see they used a piece of wood here. Not sure why. Well, I guess it wasn't long enough, but you'll see I'm doing it different. So here's one I started working on, and notice we didn't put on our molding here yet. I'll show you a window that is done so you can see what our target is. Not all the windows are the same on this house, but this one is the same as that one, and you can see we added this molding here. So I'm going to be adding that. But for right now, it's the end of November, so I would love to get this painted here enough over to here maybe that I can put the molding on later and paint in there. And get this, because I already painted all this, and here, so you can see what I'm doing here. I put a piece of aluminum in there. So if I can, I'm getting the window ready and this on. So the main thing here is I've put the other one, the top up all the way. I had to put screws in it to hold it up. And I've already got 2 coats of white on. I need to put one more on. And then I can do the dark color here, and then we can bring the storm window out, clean all the glass, and do a little scraping, and then put that in. So we'll be doing all this. I hope to get to this side in the spring, start working on this, but having these windows done ahead of time is a huge time saver. So if I do get time, I'm going to put the moldings on this window and that window, and who knows, if I get a nice day, I'll even do some priming. Have the primer on, and maybe even do some nailing down here. So everything I can get done during the winter months, I'm going to do. If it's a decent day out, I don't mind being out here for a little bit. Okay, so that's a little update here. I think it's November 28th, 2019, just to give you an idea. We've been working on the house 9 years. So and this will be the last major side. We got lots of other things to do, but just to give you an update.